learn how to convert a PDF file into Word in a very simple manner. You don't have to do so much technical stuff to convert a PDF just like this. Let me open up a PDF for you. See, this is a PDF, and if I want this PDF in Word format so that I can edit by myself, I can do that. So how we can do that is to open your favorite browser and type PDF to Word, just like that. PDF to Word converter. The moment you do that, hit enter and the search results will come. Now here we have this smallpdf.com. What I would recommend, this has so many ratings and reviews. Here you just need to visit smallpdf.com and please make sure that you only visit this one and just click on that. Now the moment you do that, it will look like this, where we need to select the file. So either we can drag and drop here, or we can simply click on choose file, and then I'll go to my desktop where my file is. I'll select it and I'll click on open. Now it has started uploading and you can see it has been uploaded, and here it says without OCR or with OCR. So I'll select without OCR, which is a free option. So I'll select choose option and you can see it is completing very fast, and at the top right corner we have this download option and I'll click on download, and here we go. The file name will remain same, however the extension has been changed. I'll just try to open it, and the whole procedure hardly took 2 seconds, 5 seconds maybe. So here you can see I have successfully converted PDF file to Word file. So you can see I can edit just like that. Let me open it, this PDF, and I'll show you the comparison, how wonderfully it has actually converted it. So here is the PDF and here is the Word, and I can edit by myself. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial, guys. I really need your support. Just smash that like button and leave a comment if you have successfully done that. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.